Have you ever tried to stifle a sneeze to be polite? You might want to stop doing that immediately. A sneeze travels out of your body at up to 100 miles per hour. When you clamp your mouth and nose shut, that pressure has nowhere to go. This massive force backfires into your head. In rare cases, it can actually rupture the back of your throat. Worse yet, the pressurized air can shoot into your eustachian tubes, potentially bursting your eardrums and causing permanent hearing loss. It can even cause small blood vessels in your eyes or brain to pop. So next time you feel that tickle, just let it out. It's safer than blowing out your eardrums.